So, hello and a very good evening. Welcome to the 28th edition of Trends Talks. As you understand, we've been running this for quite a while now and trying to encourage people to come ahead with their ideas and exchange them with people. So, in order to do this, we have a session of Wealth Abundance Vortex, which is conducted by S. Srividya, and she is a psychic reader, a mystic healer, an astro numero vastu expert, and is also a psychic life coach. So let me hand it over to her so that she can present her points and make sure that you are attentive to whatever she's saying so that we can ask questions in the later end. A disclaimer would be that if you'll be recording this session to put it on YouTube. So kindly stay off cam if you'd think so, and you might want to join in the end for question and answers. So let me hand it over to her so that she can take it up from here.
So wonderful evening, everyone. Am I audible to all of you? Great.
Yes.
So, wealth, abundance, vortex. What does this whole thing mean? When you talk about wealth, there are many thoughts that come into your, into your complete aura. Like some people say it's good, some people say it's like okay. Some people think like it's only for certain people. Some people think it's not for me or it's for me. I mean, wealth has different meanings for different people. Like what meaning do you give to it? Is how it reacts to you. So today we're gonna do. I think we're gonna do a lot of new techniques. Probably you may know about it, you may not know about it, but still just pay attention. For all those who are going to watch this video later, please repeat and see how we are doing the rituals. I will not be doing too much of, I'll not be giving you too much of practical knowledge. We will do the actual rituals and we'll see how we change the energy. But first thing that you need to do is, like whenever you see this broadcast or this video, the first thing that you need to take a pen and a paper. You need to take a black pen and a plain white paper. The first thing that you will do is you will write a list of 21 things that you think of immediately, that you think of, which which you wanted to buy or you wanted to acquire or you desired, but because of some constraint of money that could not happen in your life. Am I clear? जो ऐसी कोई चीजें 21 ऐसी चीजें जो आपके लाइफ में आपको चाहिए था, you wanted it, desire था, but because of the lack of provision or the lack of money at that point of time, what you could not achieve it. Just make a list of that on a plain white paper. You need to do this, and once you're done, this is a whole process that we will do. After you're done with this, like probably people who are going to do it right now, I'll give you about say 2 to 3 minutes. Do not take a long time. The first thing that comes in your thought is the thing that you will write. Okay, so 21 things. Make a list out of list of the things. वो 21 चीजें जो आपको पैसे के अभाव में, because of money, you could not acquire. Like maybe it was some course that you wanted to join, maybe it was some a new handset, new mobile you wanted to buy, or a new dress on the mannequin, or maybe some gadget, something, or you wanted to give somebody something, anything, or for all you may know that you wanted to give something to yourself. That, just make a list. After you have the list of 21 things, what do you do with it? All right? You just get a white candle, light the candle, and look at that list, read it once, just read it once, and say, I release these emotional blockages here and now. And you burn the paper in the candle flame. Am I clear? Am I loud and clear to all of you? You have to burn this paper in the candle flame. Make sure that you burn this, you light this candle in an east direction, okay? Like you sit in your, either in the center of your house where there's the east direction, or you go to a space where you can sit facing the east. Am I clear on this? Once this is done, we're going to do these rituals and that's it. We're not going to talk too much, but because my Wealth Abundance Vortex is a complete course about how to change your money patterns. So here I'm teaching you how to release those emotional blockages, because बहुत बार ऐसा होता है, those emotions will trigger again and again. It will trigger again and again. How many times would it have happened that you buy something for yourself and you just think that, oh, did I spend a little more? Should I have not bought this today? Or should I have, just pass it by? Or was it my impulsive shopping? ऐसे बहुत बार होता है. So these are those emotional triggers which has been stuck in your emotional energies and creates blockages. So these patterns repeat. Okay. So when you burn this, those patterns get released to some extent. It will not go away completely. It will go to some extent. Okay. So this, after you complete this, like probably if you have done this, like if you've done this at a present moment, like if you've done it at 1 o'clock or if you've done it at 6 o'clock, you have to give a gap of about, say, 3 hours minimum. After 3 hours, we will do another ritual. It's a simple thing. Rituals are nothing but changing the energy shift, changing the aura, changing your power to attract things which you feel you cannot do. So as I had told you all in the group, to keep 7 bay leaves. So 7 bay leaves is what you will keep. These are bay leaves, isko tej patta bolte hain. You need to have 7 of them. Make sure that none of it is broken, टूटा हुआ नहीं होना चाहिए. Say it is complete. Am I clear? The bay leaves are complete. Okay? So it should not have a crack or it should not have a hole. See, now this has a hole. This will not be valid. You should have complete bay leaves. Okay? So now what do we do with bay leaves? Now bay leaves are a very beautiful herb that you can find in your kitchen. आप kitchen में जाओगे, so you can find it, or you can just pick it up, but get at least 7, because this you will have to do with minimum 7. 7 as in, because we are, we are trying to balance all the chakras with, we're trying to align the money energies with the chakras, with the 7 chakras. Okay? I hope you all know about the chakras, right? If you don't know, we'll have another session about it. Okay? So what you will do now, you will have a green pen. You use a green pen, and here you have an option to, like, you can write 7 different desires, or you can write one desire 7 times. ठीक है? आप 7 बार एक ही desire लिख सकते हो इसके ऊपर, or else आप 7 अलग desire लिख सकते हो on this page. How will you write it? That is very important. You will write from this end to this end. Okay? Am I clear? From the starting point, from here to here. Whatever is your desire. Now what, suppose you have an urgent requirement of, say, 50,000 rupees or 1 lakh or whatever it is. Or some urgent desire of yours, like you want to join something. Kuch aisi cheez hai. So what you'll do is you will write that in the present tense. Am I clear? Like I have 50,000 rupees. Suppose it's unbelievable for you. Say I am in the process of having 50,000 rupees. You have to give a specific date. Like मान लीजिए आपको urgent, suppose you want it like on 25th January or some date. Give it a proper date. You have to write, I have 50,000 rupees by 20th January 2021 Earth time. Am I clear? Earth time. Hi. So आपने क्या करना है? आपने bay leaf लेना है, green pen लेना है, write from here, from the starting to the end. Write the desire in present tense. present tense. आप कोई भी language में लिख सकते हो. You can write in Hindi, English, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, whatever. Whichever language you're writing, French, German, Italy, also okay. Write in present tense whatever is your desire. Now, as I told you, you can either write one desire on all the 7 bay leaves, or you can write 7 different desires on 7 different bay leaves. Okay? Once you have written your desire in present tense, what do you do next? You write thank you, thank you, thank you, beloved. 3 times thank you. Am I clear? 3 times thank you. Clear hai? 3 बार thank you लिखने के बाद you will sign your name at this end, this corner. Okay, you'll sign your name at this corner. Okay. If you believe in certain symbols, you can either have an Om over here in the beginning, or you can have a Shri written over here. Some people love to write it with symbols. When I teach in my workshop, I work with a lot of symbols also. तो आपने 7 bay leaf सबके समझ आ गया? If there's any questions, you can ask me now, because this is a magical ritual that you're going to do. After you have written it, are you all writing it right now, or you want to go do it later? So I'll complete the ritual and I will explain further. After you have written this ritual, you will hold all the 7 bay leaves in your hand like this. Like the bottom, you will hold it. I mean, your written part hai. The written part will be facing you. Okay? The part where you have written, now this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, and this is 10. Make a beautiful fan or something like this. You know, make a beautiful, you will have this 7 bay leaves right in front of you. Okay? Make it, hold it like this very clearly. Now, as you're holding it, you need to look at them. Just keep looking at the bay leaf and just repeat the desires that is written on. Whatever is your desire. Like if you have written, I have, 3 lakh rupees by 25th January 2021 Earth time. आपने ये लिखा है, आप इसको repeat करेंगे. Each desire will be repeated 7 times. Clear है? If it is the same desire on 7 bay leaves, then also you will repeat with each leaf you will repeat 7 times. Is this clear with all of you? समझ में आ रहा है? Wonderful. Like अगर same desire is written, then also you will repeat on each leaf. You will glance at each leaf. Like you will come from left to right. When we say left to right, it is from past to present to future. Okay, so this way. Like you will come, you will see the first leaf, then you will see the second, you will see the third. When you're glancing at the leaf, you will visualize, you will see, you will talk about the desire, you will say, repeat the desire. Okay. After you have done this, while doing this, you can have a soft music, or you can have an Om chant, or you can have this, like probably it can be of, majorly this will now work. Like when we are doing this, we are attracting money in our life. Because हमने पहला ritual किया, we released the negative thought patterns. ठीक है? Then you will see, and you will feel, and you will experience the desires which is written on this. Now, when you're saying something, feel it. Don't just say it. Feel it. Like already feel that you have this already with your with you. Like it's already there. Like supposing you're waiting for something, so you visualize that you've already got it. Okay. So then after that, you have a sweet little smile. After you have completed the 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, like 7 sevens up. You have to do it on each leaf. After that, you just repeat, thank you, thank you, thank you again. Now, what do you do with all these bay leaves? One by one, you burn them in a fireproof dish. आपको एक ऐसे जहां हम कपूर वपूर जलाते हैं, take up a fireproof dish, burn this with a lighter. Remember, don't burn with a matchstick. There's a reason behind it. So get a lighter and burn this. And all those who are doing the ritual, please let me know. If your bay leaf is fine, if you're finding it difficult to burn it, there will be a delay in the manifestation. If it burns quickly, it will be done. Am I clear? Is it clear till now? समझ में आ गया? कभी कभी क्या होता है, कोई डिजायर थोड़ा लेट होगा मैनिफेस्ट, सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट, हो जाएगा, ठीक है ना? यस वांट्स टू से समथिंग. नॉट ऑन गैस, नॉट ऑन गैस, लाइटर, नॉट ऑन गैस. आपने इसको पकड़ना है, यू होल्ड इट विथ टोंग्स, या तो फिर लेडीज के पास वो प्लकर जैसा होता है, आई गेस यू कैन होल्ड इट विद अ प्लकर और समथिंग. लाइक नॉर्मली आप ये ऐसे ट्वीजर होता है, इससे पकड़ लीजिए, होल्ड इट विद अ ट्वीजर एंड जस्ट बर्न इट विद अ लाइटर. आई एम सो सॉरी, माय लाइटर इज नॉट देयर विद मी राइट नाउ. बर्न इट विद अ लाइटर.
मैडम दिया चलेगा ना?
नहीं, दिया में मत जलाना, दिया दूसरे काम के लिए होता है. ये लाइटर मंगा लीजिए या फिर कैंडल के फ्लेम में जलाइए.
कैंडल इज ओके.
कैंडल को आप गैस फ्लेम में जला लीजिए एंड फिर आप इसको टोंग से या ट्वीजर से पकड़ लीजिए एंड बर्न इट. इसमें एक आवाज आएगी, किसी किसी को, सम पीपल विल गेट अ नॉइज लाइक कट कट कट, और सम विल हैव सम, कुछ अगर ऐसे कुछ होता है, सो जस्ट कीप मी पोस्टेड सो विल नो व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम. डीपर इश्यूज हो सकते हैं. कभी कभी क्या होता है, हमारे कुछ पैसे अटके होते हैं. मान लीजिए आपने किसी से पैसे लेने हैं, दैट पर्सन इज नॉट गिविंग योर मनी, सो एट दैट टाइम यू दैट थिंग विल नॉट बर्न वेरी फास्ट, बिकॉज वो बंदे का जो है, यू मस्ट हैव थॉट सो मच ऑफ थॉट्स ना, कि व्हाई ही इज नॉट गिविंग मी माय मनी एंड ऑल दिस, so your bay leaf will not burn. This is tried and tested. So when you burn this, you will feel some smell is coming, कुछ ऐसा होगा. It's okay, absolutely fine. जला दीजिए and blow this ashes outside your window. घर के अंदर जरा भी नहीं रखना है इसको. You have to blow it, like literally you have to do, like you have to hold it at, जैसे वो डिश होगा आपके पास, आपने इसको ब्लो कर देना, ठीक है? This completes the second ritual. Are we clear till this? And now we do another magic to attract money in your life very fast. ठीक है? I teach a lot in my workshop, that is Wealth Abundance Vortex. People have got immense results. I have a lot of testimonies. आप मेरे Facebook पेज पे देख सकते हो. My Facebook page is at facebook.com/Srividya1, Srividya with a double S. अभी हम एक मैजिकल रिचुअल करेंगे which 99.9% attracts money in your life very fast. ठीक है? I'm giving out such a beautiful secret. See? Take a denomination, जो नोट आपको पसंद है, हाईएस्ट डिनोमिनेशन ले सकते हो या छोटा ले सकते हो. ये मुलेठी है, इसको मुलेठी कहते हैं. ओके, यू कैन फाइंड इट इन एनी ग्रोसरी स्टोर. आप इसको मुलेठी बोलेंगे. इट्स कॉल्ड लिटमस licorice root. Sorry, licorice root in English and मुलेठी in हिंदी. ठीक है? इसमें मीठी खुशबू आती है. मीठी लकड़ी, also people call it मीठी लकड़ी. Amazing fragrance. तो इसको लिकरस रूट बोलते हैं या मुलेठी. आपने एक मुलेठी लेना है. द नोट, यू कैन टेक अ हाईएस्ट डिनोमिनेशन नोट और 500 और 100, जो आपको ठीक है. आपको मुलेठी इसके ऊपर रखना है ऐसे, एंड यू हैव टू रोल दिस टुवर्ड्स यू. आपने इसको अपने तरफ रोल करना है, टुवर्ड्स यू. ठीक है? विल डू इट वंस मोर. ये आपका नोट है, ये आपका the right side of the note, जहां पे father of the nation का फोटो है. Hold this mulethi at the corner and roll this towards you. Towards you. अपनी तरफ रोल करना. जैसे अपनी तरफ रोल कर लिया, आप या तो इसको सेलो टेप से चिपका सकते हो, और you can tie it with a golden or a green ribbon. Those gift wrapping ribbons, you can do it with that. ठीक है? After you make, you have to make 3 knots minimum. While you're making the knot, you will say, By the knot of 1, I attract wealth in my life. By the knot of 2, I love the wealth in my life. By the knot of 3, I retain wealth in my life. Okay? After doing this, you can keep this in your cash box. Trust me, likh ke le lo, take it from me. Money will flow in your life magically. And you can do all my courses then. Okay? So this is a magic for money. It works. Trust me, it works magically. I would want your testimonies. I would want your feedbacks, because when you tell me that this has happened, I feel more happy, because give abundance to get abundance. Do this. You can make 1 or 2 more. You can keep 1 in your purse. You can keep 1 in your cash box. Karke dekho. You will see there is a magical flow of income in your life. जो रुका हुआ पैसा है ना, वो भी थोड़ा थोड़ा आने लगता है. I'm not telling you you'll become a multi-millionaire. You will not have Antilia bungalow, but definitely the money that doesn't stay in your purse will start staying in your purse. This has a magical power to attract money in your life. फिर आप मुझे बोलना कि श्री वो वाला यंत्र चाहिए, ये वाला यंत्र चाहिए, ये gemstone चाहिए. Definitely you'll have money. My funda is like I help you to get money in your life, and then I suggest you things so that you get more things in your life. Okay? So do these rituals and do share your feedbacks. I hope the session was not too much of practical knowledge, but it was factual and experiential. I was not only giving you a theory, I'm sorry, it was practical, not too much of theory. Mistake became wrong. So I gave you the proper way how to work with it. People who want to join my workshops or my membership groups, I have a membership group that is 600 per month, which I teach you. I give you remedies, rituals, and all that. If you want to connect to me, you can contact me on 703-901-1755. That's my WhatsApp number. The same number is also on Signal. So 703-901-1755. I'm Shri Vidya here. I hope you all enjoyed this. Whoever is watching, whenever you're watching, please do a favor. Share this as much as you can. For all you know, you never know, आप किसकी लाइफ में वो पैसे की happiness ला सकते हो. You can bring that smile. So, I don't know who will benefit, how you will share. Share this video as much as you can, because I've given you a free tip. People who want to watch my daily series, that is Magic for the Day, you can follow me on Facebook. That is SSHREEVIDHYA1, Shri Vidya 1 Facebook. That's my Facebook ID. I share a Magic for the Day series, which creates a lot of magic. I do personal consultation. I'm an astro-numerovastu expert, a psychic reader. So that's all. I think I have given you some magics which will do magics in your life. So have a fantastic weekend and have lot of abundance in your life. May God bless you with a lot of money and a lot of happiness and a lot of peace and everything that you desire. Whatever is best for your highest good, let that manifest for you. Thank you and divine blessings.
Thank you.
So Krishna ji, I'm done with it. Any questions?
Yeah, thank you very much for giving us this practical experience, and I hope you have a lot of these kind of experiences to share, and we can certainly look into each of them. Could you elaborate on what this course is all about, and what are you going to talk in this?
Wealth Abundance Vortex is an online. It's like you can do it as whenever you have time. It's an online course. It's a video course. You can do that whenever you have time. It's 11 days course where I share certain rituals which activates the money energy within you. That is Wealth Abundance Vortex. Simple and easy to do rituals. Not very difficult, but when you practice, you will know how your energy shifts. Not talking too much about this, but people have moved from a one-room kitchen to a 4 BHK flat, and I'm like very happy. लोगों के अटके हुए पैसे भी निकल आते हैं, because बहुत सारी blockages होती हैं. There's a lot of blockages which can be released with Wealth Abundance Vortex. This is an 11-day course, And I also have my membership group, which is very nominally charged. Like I charge 600 per month, and you can join for 1 month, 6 months, 3 months, whatever is your choice. Daily, I give you a specific thing that you can do, or if you have a particular issue, I immediately help you to resolve, which is like within the space. So that is my membership group, which is called which is called an abundance group. So we have a lot of members who are happy in that group. So if you want anyone to join, they can definitely join.
Madam, you told that, madam, one question.